Hey guys, I wanted to do a quick little video on salt deficiencies on keto. Okay, so normally when a person is burning sugar, they're running on sugar fuel, that's called glycolysis, and then they shift over to ketones, burning fat, what's going to happen? They're going to dump a lot of electrolytes. The need for salt will go up. When you're running on sugar, you're retaining a lot of fluid, and you really shouldn't be consuming a lot of salt. But when you're on keto, you should be consuming at least 1 to 1.5 teaspoons of salt each day. Some of the symptoms which indicate that you're deficient would be low blood pressure, dizziness when you stand up, leg cramps, especially in the lower part of the leg, the calf area, or even in the foot. Okay? Also, general weakness and fatigue. Those are all classic signs of low sodium, and also chlorides as well. So the next question is, what type of sea salt do I need? Now the two most popular ones are the Himalayan pink salt, which is from a mountaintop in Pakistan, and it's pink because it has a little bit more iron, but it's very pure, it's very ancient, it's awesome. And then you have Celtic salt, okay? And that's gray because it has some clay in it. It's from a certain ocean, and it's very healthy too. If we compare these two, it's a little lower in sodium, a little higher in magnesium, higher in phosphorus, and a little higher in potassium. However, they're both so similar, I wouldn't recommend one more than the other. It's really just up to you. But consuming a good, high-quality sea salt will handle this deficiency, but just make sure you need it in a little bit higher quantities. But when you're consuming other foods like cheese or olives, or you're doing bacon that's salted, realize you're going to get some salt in that as well. But if you don't, you're going to have to add this, put it on your eggs or your meats or even your salad to make sure you have this salt to prevent some of these symptoms. All right, thanks for watching. Hey, I appreciate your attention, and if you're enjoying these videos, go ahead and subscribe, and I will definitely keep you updated on future events, live events, and webinars that we're going to do very soon.